all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to start on from 18 question and we are going to discuss the role business analyst, right? So if you are preparing for this role, then these all videos playlist for you only. Just go through it, prepare yourself and let me know if still you are having any doubts, concerns. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss the number 18 question. Describe the three things that are important to you in a job. So, what interview is assessing? Just think first. That is your values, career priorities, culture fit. Okay, so the three most important things for me are the business impact, collaboration, and the continuous learning. So I enjoy the working on initiative where I can influence the product direction, solve meaningful business problems, and I thrive in the agile environments where product owner, business analysts, developers, QA, UX, and stakeholders work together transparently. So technology and the business evolve rapidly. So I valued organizations that invest in learning, innovation, and the continuous improvement. Got it? Yeah. So the next question number 19, that is what are your short-term goals? So over the last 3 years, my goal is to become a trusted strategic business analyst who partners closely with the product management and the executive stakeholders. So I also want to have deepen my expertise, okay, in the product management, AI assisted business analysis, enterprise architecture and the digital transformation while mentoring junior business analysts, right? It's mind-blowing answer, right? Just put it in the comment box and let me know if still I want to modify this answer and you liked it or not, right? Yeah, so let's go ahead and see the next question. What salary you're expecting? So I'm looking for a compensation package that reflects the responsibilities of the role, the value I can bring, and I current market standards. So, based on my experience and the scope of the position, I have an expected range in mind, but I am flexible and would like to understand the complete compensation structure, including benefits and the growth opportunities. Got it? This is the good answer where you are not directly telling this package I want, and also you are not telling that I don't agree or something, right? Correct. It's a neutral, open to discuss, correct? Yeah. So the next question, why do you want to leave the current job? So my grateful for this opportunity I had in my current organization. I have learned a great deal, contributed to several successful agile transformation initiatives. So at this stage, I'm looking for the larger, more complex product environments where I can have greater strategy influence, work with broader stakeholder groups, and continue growing professionally. Okay, so this is the interview tip that never criticize your current employer. Okay, just remember always you are happy with your current role, but still you want to grow. You want to grow your with your career, right? So you can put like away. Fine. Okay. So the next question: what do you know about our organization? If they ask you. Sometimes they ask you, otherwise sometimes they will tell you what exactly they are working and doing. Okay, yeah. So I researched your organization before today's interview. So I understand that you are investing significantly in digital transformation and customer centric product while expanding agile delivery across the multiple business units. So I was particularly interested in your focus on innovation, learning cloud technologies, improving customer experiences. So these align well with my background in agile product delivery and business process transformation. Fine? Yeah. So the next question, what have you gained from your work experience? So my experience has taught me that a successful project depends less on documentation and more on collaboration, stakeholder alignment, and delivering measurable business outcomes. So I have learned how to manage complete stakeholder priorities, translate strategy into actionable requirement, balance business value with the technical constraint, build trust across the cross-functional teams, continuously improve agile delivery processes. Good, fine till now. Okay. Okay. So next question, that is, do you have any questions for us? If they ask you, of course they will ask you. Okay, that is their end up of the interview process. Okay, so okay, if they are going to ask you, then you are asking some questions, one or two question you can ask. Okay, how do you business analyst partner with the product owner in your organization, or what challenges in the team currently trying to solve? How is a successful measure for a senior business analyst here? What agile framework do your team primarily use, or what opportunities are available for mentoring or the leadership? These type of questions of course demonstrate your curiosity, strategic thinking, and long term interest as well in their organization, right? So definitely you can going to ask two to three questions to them. Okay, fine. Okay, so next question, tell me about a team you could not take a decision because you lack the information. Sometimes it's, of course it's happened in our career, right? So during a pricing platform redesign, key regulatory requirements were still being finalized. So recommended a solution without making assumptions that would lead to rework, correct? So what we have done, that identified the information gaps, facilitates the discussion with the legal and compliance, the documented assumptions and the risk defer only the impacted backlog items while allowing unaffected work to continue. So after that, the team maintained sprint progress, avoided unnecessary rework, and implemented the final solution once regulations were confirmed. Okay, so reorganize unnecessity and managing it the transparently is often better than making the premature decisions, right? Okay. So if they ask you like kind of this question, you can put your answer in this star method. Fine. Okay. The next question. Tell me about the time you had to make a decision without complete information. This same kind of thing. Okay. Lack of information and the incomplete information. Right. Okay. So production issue require an immediate workaround. Okay. But root cause analysis was still underway. Then I recommended that time a temporary business solution to minimize the customer impact. So I assessed the available data, consulted the technical leads, evaluated risk, and proposed the control workaround while documenting the assumptions. So after that, service was restored quickly, customer disruption was minimized, and the permanent fix was implemented in the following sprints. Okay. So after that, in fast moving environments, I inform decisions with the appropriate risk management are sometimes necessary, that I realize. Okay. Okay, fine. So next question. What is the most difficult decision you have made it? So two strategic initiatives, we competed for the same development capacity. The help leadership prioritize based on the business value by facilitating a prioritization workshop using business value, risk, customer impact, regulatory obligation, and the technical dependencies. Fine. So after that, leadership reached consensus, development capacity was optimized as well, and the higher value initiative delivered significant customer benefits. Okay. So this is the most difficult decision you have made, right? Correct. So, but you can put this answer in a way with the star method. Got my answers? Fine. Okay. So, till now we have discussed 27 questions and answers for this. You can prepare as per your experience as well. You can modify it. And still, if you are having any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. Okay. Surely I reply. Okay. Fine. So, just be with me and we are going to discuss this question number 28 in the next video. Thank you.